So I don't think there's ever really a time that you should use interstitials instead of rewarded videos. Certain genres or categories of games will have both. So, for example, hyper casual or casual is going to have more interstitials. But the thing about interstitials is that you don't want it to affect the overall gameplay. And we see a lot of poor implementations of interstitials that can frustrate the user. So, in general, you want to be implementing interstitials in between levels and maybe have a timer that separates, if they've clicked a rewarded video, don't show an interstitial for maybe 5 minutes or whatever it may be. You're implementing interstitials in a way that's friendly and doesn't really affect anyone.
Yeah, non-invasive. And there's also one thing you mentioned earlier was the percentage of users that watch rewarded videos.
Yeah.
Almost half of them, as a rule, don't watch any rewarded videos, but you still want to show some ads to them. So showing interstitials is one way to cover this empty gap. But in terms of retention, I would say, depending on your game and genre and type, you should track day 1, day 7, and, well, sometimes day 30, but that's probably not as necessary. But day 1 and day 7 retention rates, see if they're affected negatively or positively. Look at some other metrics like purchase conversions. Maybe ads are actually helping you drive more purchases.
Exactly.
You do an A/B test, you see if it affects your retention rate. Usually it should not, if you do it smart. If you don't really use aggressive placements that are, for example, you open an inventory in your game, and before seeing the inventory, you have an ad. Well, that's not really pleasant. But if you do that seamlessly between levels or when you wait for something and you're not losing some playtime, then it should not have any problems with retention. There's no 100% golden answer if it's negative or positive impact, but you have all the means to measure that.
Yeah, just play the game. If it frustrates you, change it.
Yeah, don't be invasive.